Very good morning to all. Today we will learn about what is meant by Internet of Things. First of all, what is Internet of Things? The Internet of Things is a common platform where we can connect all the objects, that is nothing but those may be things that are embedded, and those things will exchange the information with some sensors and software and with other technologies. Actually, the purpose of IoT is connecting the objects, and they will exchange the data with other devices and systems over the internet. There are so many examples and applications of IoT which we can understand actually what IoT means. Here in the picture itself, we can observe all the examples which we are showing here for the examples of IoT. Nowadays, IoT plays a very important role where the applications like smart home, smart agriculture, smart health industry, in all these things, IoT plays a very important role. For example, if you take the application like smart home, there the devices such as your microwave oven or refrigerator or AC, we can consider all these are objects. Then, by using a simple user device like your mobile phone, we can operate all these devices. Here, IoT plays an important role where all these objects should communicate with each other and they should operate. So, by using internet, that's why I'm telling it as a common platform where it connected all the devices or objects, and they will share the information so that we can operate by using a single user device all the objects. And moreover, we will see what are all the characteristics of our IoT. Why? Because if we want to use this IoT, we need to know that how it will work. So these characteristics will help us to know how it will works and how safe it is. The characteristics of IoT or is very device, intelligent, and it will play a very important role in the connectivity. We can express by using this IoT. And the important feature of IoT is sensing. Why? Because we'll be using the sensors. They will sense all the ambient conditions where we have placed that particular sensor, and it will share that particular information so that the exchange of data can be done. And of course, it is secure. In some applications, we can use this particular IoT. So I can say it is secure. Then, advantages and disadvantages of IoT. You all know that whatever the topic or technique it may be, there will be some advantages and there will be some disadvantages. Coming to advantages of our IoT, it will minimizes the human work and effort. It will saves our time and effort, and it's very secured, and we can use in traffic and other monitoring systems. Mainly in health industry, we can use in our homes, offices. It improves the security. There are many advantages we have regarding our IoT. In the same way, we have some of the disadvantages. One of the disadvantage I can say it is nothing but it is very highly dependent on the internet, and sometimes it requires some complex system for maintenance. Sometimes the security may lax. Due to this IoT, sometimes there will be a lack of mental and physical activity. Why? Because it will minimizes the human work and effort. So due to that, there will be a lack of physical activity by humans, it may lead to health issues. So for any technique, we'll be having advantages. Similarly, we'll be having disadvantages. Here are some of the advantages and disadvantages we are showing. Next, what are all the applications of our IoT? If you observe here, IoT we will be using mainly nowadays in healthcare industry. For example, if we want to give pills for a patient, then we can run a code. We will be writing a code in order that the pills will be given automatically for the particular time at a stimulated time. The medicines will be given to that particular person. Like that, we have so many examples in our healthcare and in manufacturing. Also, we'll be using this IoT, which is a combination of your sensors and actuators, I can say. In detail, we will study about our sensors and actuators in our next session. And in vehicles, auto cars, mostly in cars, we will be using these sensors and actuators. And in agriculture, resource extraction, security, construction, all these are the applications. Few of the more applications we have regarding our IoT. Very soon, we will see in detail about these applications of IoT. Thank you. Thank you very much for listening.